Ano ba ang mga requisites for a valid strike? Yan, number 1, valid ground. There are only 3 valid grounds for a strike. Bargaining deadlock, economic yan, unfair labor practice, or union busting. Ano po ba ang union busting? Napakadali. Pag tinatanggal ni employer yung mga opisyal ng union, ay di mawawala yung union busting yan. Okay? Another requirement, notice of strike. Saan ipapadala ang notice? Sa NCMB. 30 days pag economic strike. Pag ULP, 15 days. Kaya lang, pag ang ground ninyo ay union busting, no need to notify the NCMB. Okay? So anong gagawin ninyo? Pag union busting, immediately kunin nyo ang strike vote, i-report ka agad, observe the 7-day strike ban, and then you have to strike. Pa-economic o kaya ULP, may itong kasunod na requirement, cooling off period. No? O ano ang purpose ng cooling off period? Ang purpose nito ay para mag-settle yung parties, mag-usap, preventive mediation ang tawag natin dyan para wag matuloy ang strike. Okay? Susunod nating requirement, kunin ang strike vote. Sino ang boboto? Yung mga miyembro ng union. Pag hindi miyembro ng union, kanina kayo, hindi kayo sali, hindi kayo boboto. Sila lang ang mag-i-strike. Kasi yung mga hindi miyembro ng union, pwede sila pumasok kahit naka-strike kayo. Pagka nakuha ang strike vote, i-report natin. Pagka-report mo ng strike vote, within 7 days, hindi ka pwede mag-strike, and we call that the 7-day strike ban. Okay? I-report nyo doon sa Department of Labor, sa NCMB, yung strike vote. From the time you submitted your strike vote report, you cannot have a strike within 7 days. That is the strike ban. Ano ang purpose ng strike ban? Para malaman kung talagang totoo na bumoto ang majority para mag-strike kayo. Okay? Now, ang tanong, kailan kukunin ang strike vote? Walang sinabi ang batas at anytime daw. Kasi 30 days. 20 days na nakaraan, wala pa rin nangyayari. Ay baka wala na mangyari dito. Kunin nyo na yung strike vote. Okay, submit na kagad. Pero, you still have to observe the cooling off period at saka yung strike ban. Kailan ang reckoning point ng strike ban? At the end of the cooling off period. Kahit kinuha nyo yung strike vote during the cooling off period, yes, you still have to add 7 days. So, summarize natin. Kapag ka unfair labor practice, 15 plus 7, 22. Pagka ito ay bargaining deadlock, 30 plus 7, 37. Pagka ito ay union busting, 7. Okay? Maliwanag. Eh? So, these are mandatory requirements. Kapag ka hindi nag-comply, then illegal yung strike. Pag illegal ang strike, madi-dismiss ang mga leaders after due process. Ang mga miyembro hindi madi-dismiss except those who committed or who participated in the commission of illegal activities while there is a strike. Okay?
That's all. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have any suggestions for my next video. Also check the description below, and to show your support, please click the subscribe button. And please follow my other social media accounts.